G'day folks, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this video building a customised bed head for under $100. It has a couple of extra features such as these touch lights, which are a handy addition. So if this is the first time you've viewed Sumo's Projects, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's important as an advisory thing to let you know when upcoming videos are out. And also have a look at my other videos. I have quite a few in the back catalogue. So thank you very much, and let's go ahead and make this right away. I've been given some good lengths of, I think it's pine. It was come out of a shipping container, so as you can see it was of a good stock thickness. I'm just cutting it down the size and doing a little bit of jointing to square it up. But you've got to be careful when you work with the pallet wood, because sometimes you can come unstuck and you get stuff that's really bowed. This stuff here came in a shipping container, and it's actually quite flat. It didn't take me much work to get a square reference points and that. So what I'm going to do, the other bed head was flimsy, so I'm going to cut this. It's about 95mm at the moment, so I'll cut it down to 20mm segments. I commenced with cleaning up the opposing faces to which I had machined on the jointer, and then fed it through the thicknesser. No desired type thickness here required, but just a matter of trying to get the rough sawn look off. I think throughout most of your builds you tend to follow a process of squaring, getting a clean face, edges, and doing this you use machines such as here, the router table, your table saw. I mean, there's other methods to do it. You can use handheld machines, and that does just as good a job, except I find if you have a surface to feed your stock along, it becomes a little bit more safe to do it. Anyway, on to a little bit of sanding and then adding a stain. And using these wonderful Merkur braid net, they're fantastic. Whilst filming this video, I sort of went off and into my own little world, thinking about the many camera angles and shots you can get of cutting things on your table saw. So here's just a couple of those samples. It's always good fun to look back on them. And throughout the entire build process, I'd like to welcome the supervisor and my partner.
So?
Right, lever, bring it down a little bit, hit the trigger. What do you reckon? Do we work well together?
Yes, we work well together.
Righto. 1,000 cuts later, 84 arguments. Didn't really have any pallet wood, which was what we were looking for, but made up little tiles and blocks out of this marine fly. So this was all made under $100, believe it or not, and the backing is just some MDF. Worked out good. So this is a Dana design method of applying glue. It's the old Barbie snag flipper, hamburger flipper, or painter's scraper. So great idea. Check him out. Once the glue up's dried and cured, I go around with a flush trim bit and get it all square, and then go up to a 320 grit, which is sufficient for this project. Then I'm putting the legs on by applying glue and also brad nailing this in, and then adding screws as additional support. Just making sure as I go that all the legs are in the same spot, so that eliminates any of that wobble that potentially could happen. So the next few processes are adding on a roundover, get rid of sharp edges, and this is a bit of merbu. It's going to act as a capping, or the top part, which will be attached by figure 8 clips, which you can purchase at your woodworking shops. And I'll sand that up to 320 grit again, and I'll cut out a little mortise to take the figure 8 clip here on the tops, and then attaching them with screws. And also use screws on the back of the legs and to the top, and that was sufficient.
So I have to apologise at this stage. I actually lost a bit of footage, but it was only me putting 3 coats of water modified polyurethane as a finish, and I tell you what, it really did come up good with that finish, and I'm well impressed. So anyway, who wants to watch someone painting or applying a finish, right? I don't. Let's carry on.
Here are the lights. They are attached by a bit of tape which sticks onto your bed head, and the other side of that is Velcro, and you repeat that step, and all you have to do to take it apart then is take the Velcro apart, and you can put new batteries in whenever you want. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one around. Hooroo.